Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasri, and today in this video I'll show you how you can reactivate your McAfee membership. So if you are using a McAfee internet security and your subscription has ended or is near to end, so you can extend your membership by following these simple steps. First, you have to go to McAfee software. After going to the McAfee software, click on account. When you click on account, click on my subscription and this page will pop up. This page shows your existing subscription and it shows you the number of days which have been left. Now if you have a product key with you, you don't need to uninstall this software and reinstall McAfee. So you just have to go to the activate my product key. If you click on the activate my product key, it will go to another page in web browser. Now this is the page in which you have to enter your 25-digit product key which you have just got, and you enter your email. When you enter your email, you click on next. When you click on next, it will go through some verification process to check that whether the product key is okay. After doing it, it will automatically activate your existing McAfee services. Now right click on the McAfee icon and then click on the verify subscription. By doing this, it will automatically extend your McAfee antivirus subscription. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.